Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl want to come on in here with this recipe that she saw. Now you guys, I don't know if you're familiar with Kylie Jenner, okay? Kylie Jenner, okay? Now, she is known for this recipe with the ramen noodles. So, your girl wanted to try this recipe out right quick. I got noodles going everywhere. But anyway, we're going to put it in a boiling hot water. And we're going to cook these noodles. And it's supposed to be a different type of noodle. Because you're going to add one egg. Okay? You're going to add this one egg in here. And I'm just going to go on and mix this egg on up. Because this is supposed to be more like a cream base when I'm done. So your girl wanted to try this. See how it turns out. Now she does top it with some parsley. But I'm out of parsley and I know I got to go to the market in a minute. But anywho, how's everybody doing today? Good. So we got this egg beaten up. Because we're going to try this recipe. I want to see if it's going to bring these noodles to a different taste. And does this egg actually makes it more of a creamy texture. So yeah, you guys, if you're interested in this video, sit down. Come join your girl. Because she's finna try this recipe. Or would I say a twist to this? I don't know. Now, don't get me wrong. I enjoy noodles every now and then. But I just had to try this to see if it's something that I'm interested in. Because even with these type of noodles, I'm not a big noodle lover. Okay? Now, I'm more of the hot and spicy or the 2-time spice type of gal, you know. Not this type. Now, I have these type because this is something Carter enjoys. And yeah, we're going to see how this tastes. Yes, we are. We're going to go on and let these noodles boil. And I'm not going to edit anything. But we're going to let these noodles boil. And see what it comes out to be. It's a yes or no. A yay or nay. Now, if you've tried this, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Because your girl got to know. Because I never saw nothing like this. To put an egg in here and make this more like a sauce. We're going to test this recipe. Yes, I am. And yes, you guys, I was over in my boys' live yesterday. If you don't know who this person is, please go over and check him out. Vel Dogg's Kitchen, you guys. And he has this challenge that's finna get ready to come out. You guys, I hope you guys can show the love and the support on this challenge that he's gonna have come out. Because, you know, we're cooking channels. And we don't get accepted for the challenges. And when I heard he wanted to make it into a challenge, I was game for it. You guys. I was game for it. So, yeah, if you're not familiar with Vel Dogg, go over and check his channel out. And another person, you guys, if you're not familiar with Brown Eyes on a Budget, you guys, that's a shopaholic. I love the way she just show us all the new Dollar Tree items. And oh man, you would think one would get tired, but not her. She's a sweetheart at heart. I just love shopping with her and checking out the deals, you guys. Yes. And I also love eBay reseller. Those 3 people links will be in the description below. Okay, so we got these noodles to a certain point. So, okay, so now I am about to drain the water off of them with some of the water. Okay, so now they say you see the water still going, right? We got some water in there. Now they say pour this slowly and stir as you pour. So that's what I'm doing. And it's supposed to be like a cream sauce. Okay, so it did get its creaminess. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm going to turn that down. And I'm going to put my seasoning on in here. And we're going to mix that on up. Okay. It actually worked it. Wow. Who would have thought? So it does look like a cream base. So these are clean dishes up here, you guys, in case you're wondering. Your girl likes to keep clean dishes. But we're going to put this right here, because we're going to put that right there. Okay, guys. Check it out. Okay, so it's more like a cream base. Now she says, but your girl got to put her little black pepper in here, you guys, because, hey, we got enough salt, right? We got enough salt. Let's put us some black pepper on here. Now this is definitely Kylie Jenner. Lord Jesus, take it from me. Kylie Jenner recipe. Now she topped hers with some parsley. Now your girl is gonna go in here for the taste, you guys. Okay. It's definitely good. It's definitely different. And it definitely brings a how could I say this? A creaminess. It brings a creaminess. I got to test this one more time, you guys. Test this. Here, you guys get a bite. Okay. Oh, you want some more? Okay, let's see. It's a yay. But anywho, if you haven't tried this recipe, please do so. Because like I say, this recipe is definitely different. And it brings a different to your noodles. Yes, it does. And I imagine if I use a little cayenne. Because like I said, I like spices. Okay? And we're going to put a little bit of that on here. And the girl want to see how that going to taste. Anywho, you guys. Yeah, you can size it up. If you're viewing me for the first time, thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe to the channel. And yes, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. Leave a comment below. And yeah, I appreciate each and every one of you guys that gave me a view. on this particular video and all the other ones I may add. But guys, check this recipe out. Try it yourself and tell me if you like it. So I'm going to close out and send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.